This Vauxhall Astra has reported a misfire. I've come down here with a set of spark plugs and also a coil pack. I'm going to change the spark plugs first and see if it makes any difference, because he's said that he hasn't changed his spark plugs in about 37,000 miles since he's had the car. So. But it seems to be some sort of leak. Good way to see the misfire. Yeah. Good old bang. You start seeing the brown coming out the side. That's when the gas pressures are actually going through the plug and coming out there. So these plugs are definitely done. So new set of plugs are in. Time to test it. We'll start the engine and see if that starts wobbling like a madman again. That is still misfire. Right, that's the whole plugs there. I've got a coil pack with me, I'm going to whack it in there now. It's the new one. Star line's the brand. That's better. That's a lot better. Look at that.